Let's go home.
Refuse to go home?
Oh, it's my doggy.
Here, slow down, please. Stop it, mine!
It's okay. If you use Yale, you no longer require a key as you can open the door using fingerprint recognition and password. The off-center design, worry-free about finger pinching. It's okay. If you use Yale, 3D face scan can come in handy.
Wait, what if I look different?
It's okay. Yale will always recognize you. It's okay, boy. Yale detected you. Yale, access and control of the lock remotely with an app. You are welcome to come over anytime. Stop, look, go! Simply effortless with Yale Luna Pro and Pro Plus. Face scan powered by 3D structured light. Yale, create peace of mind.